This is a weekly what's new, and I don't have a camera mount, so I can't mount this anywhere. So I'm gonna try to make this short. I know I say every freaking video, but what's new? Not much. I did a little bit of work on the Big Red. Did some. I think I put the air filter in. I don't think I recorded it. I did a couple other videos. Got a couple of videos coming this weekend. Haven't done much. My back was still killing. My back was killing me a couple of weeks ago, and then I ended up. It was fine for a couple of days. Then I moved some more shit, and the back hurts. Then I got a sore neck. I don't know why. I think I have some weird kind of cold. No, I didn't use one of those stupid tests to see if I got the monkeypox virus or hell it is. But anyway, yeah. I forgot my camera mount in my house because me and my daughter were making a video for her, what do you call it, YouTube channel. Yeah, we make videos once in a while. Not much. So we're not like super popular. But it's fun. It's something to do actually. It's not a. I wouldn't say I look forward to it as a career, but it's fun. It's mostly just been. It's coming to the summer's end here, August. We're getting ready for school to kick in. I'm sure everybody who's in North America knows that the end of September or no, end of August, early September is back to school season. Back when they start putting Halloween candy in all the stores, because Halloween's in October and not. Actually, I've seen Halloween candy in the stores starting in July, second week of July. So I'm sure next week there'll be Christmas stuff or Thanksgiving or whatever. With that said, I haven't done much. I just been trying to get time where my neck isn't sore and my back isn't killing me to change the oil on this bike. Because change the air filter, and I'm gonna change the oil and change the oil filter. I'm gonna do a video on the oil filter. Yeah, I've been trolling eBay for parts. Seen this really, really nice gas tank on eBay. I wish I had money in my account. It was like $300, which is pretty cheap. The outside was terrible, but the inside is immaculate. And I'm like, this is not gonna last on eBay more than a day. It was gone. It just disappeared. Like it was up and gone. I haven't bought too many more bike parts on eBay. Like I bought a couple of bolts and stuff. That was it. I got a front rack coming for this one. And I'm hesitant to pull this rack off like right now because I really want to drive it, but I'm like, the rack's gotta come off because I have to take the whole front end off. So I'm hesitating pulling the front end off because like I have all the parts. The bike runs. It's just I don't want to mess it up because I had to take the whole fuse box out, the whole front end. It's just like I don't want to. Because I know something's gonna happen and the thing's not gonna run. Like I'm just be like, I'll be tinkering with it. I didn't mess with the gas tank. There's one dent in it. It's pretty good. I got a really nice other gas tank to change it with. What else? Yeah, sorry. Got a few couple new videos. Sending next week. I'm getting another exhaust for this thing. I'm sending. I think I'm almost done. I did a couple of videos with me pulling bolts out of rack that either it's coming up or it's probably coming up because this will be posted. I don't have 100 videos scheduled, so this will be posted soon and it'll be shown up. So I'm probably gonna order a couple of bolts for this one, and I'm gonna send this rack out to be media blasted and probably repainted. I have to double check it. I have to probably do some straightening and some welding first. I might actually send it out to get blasted and then bring it back later to get painted and just to double check to see if there's anything that needs to be welded or whatever. Because it's a pretty straight rack. But other than that, there's mostly I haven't in the garage. It's just been busy working on the new house. That's coming along slowly but surely. Waiting for water. It doesn't look like we're getting water this year, but yeah, who knows? Cross fingers. Apparently there's a lot of people in line, so if we don't get water, we'll finish the inside, move in next, whatever. But this bike right here, I don't know if you can see that bike, but yeah, that bike, the front end's got to come off. Somebody welded the freaking rack. I got another rack for it, so I'm like, should I just take the? Well, actually, I'm probably gonna record me taking the other rack apart, and then I'll send one of them out to get repaint, or two of them out to get repainted when I get the other one Monday, and I'll see which one's better. So far, I have. Sorry, I have at least 3 replacement racks. One's a good one, one's a not so good one, and the complete shitty one. The terrible one I'm gonna use is I have to go to there's a place over here called Acer Lachine that sells metal. I'm gonna try to get the appropriate size tubing for it, and I'm gonna use it for a welding video. And in the meantime, I gotta make a. I've pulled a bike out since it's actually favorable weather at night now. It's like it's not 35 degrees out plus humidity. It's like 10 or 15 degrees. Well, not 10, maybe it's like 15 or 20. It's cool enough where I can weld again. So I'm going to zip weld the bottom of that sandblaster, grind it down, and paint it real quick to get it done so I can get the bottom siphon done. I want to get it put back. I want to get the bottom welded up, painted, and put back together real soon because I get all these pieces out of the way. So that I should have an upcoming video with that. I'm going to zip weld that. It's just I got to weld a little, weld another plate on the side, weld the box on the bottom, then I got to drill a hole through it. And that should keep my finger out of here, actually. So, yeah. I was going to make a few other videos this week, but I got to make one for my Thule Tuesdays. I'm surprised that it's the Thule Tuesday thing I created is actually doing pretty good. It's getting a lot of traction, so I'll keep it up. I hope everybody's enjoying my channel, and thanks for watching. This is the last of my this week's Monday What's New. So stay tuned and keep watching.